Welcome back. Sometimes, we need to stop a loop prematurely, even if its main condition is still true. The break statement is used to achieve this. It gives you an immediate exit from the innermost containing loop. 1. Break syntax and flow. The break statement may be used inside an if statement within a loop. When Python encounters break, it skips the rest of the loop's current iteration, ignores the loop's main condition, and moves execution to the first line of code immediately following the loop. 2. Practical use case, searching. You may apply break to search for a specific item in a large collection. Once the item is found, there is no need to continue looping through the remaining data, so we break to save time and resources. 3. Comparison with loop condition. If the loop was defined as for I in range 1 to 10, it would normally run 9 times. However, because of the break at I equals 5, the loop only runs 5 times. The break takes precedence over the loop's inherent termination condition. To summarize, the break statement is a powerful tool for efficiency and handling conditions that require immediate termination of a repetitive task. While break stops the loop entirely, sometimes we only want to skip the current item and move to the next. Our next lecture 09.14. Continue.